a greatest, and at the same time, worst encounter. One Sunday, I went to church without knowing who the preacher would be. To my surprise, it was the highest pastor. Yung iba tawag bishop, yung iba pope, or yung iba naman highest priest. Sobrang saya ko. I deeply respect people in such positions, believing they could not be there without a deep knowledge of the Bible. Since I myself have been reading the Word and growing from level 1 onward, I felt it was such a privilege to hear him preach. As I listened, I became so carried away nung sinabi niyang embrace diversity. So loudly, talagang napasigaw ako, Amen! And I was the only one. So parang nakaagaw ako ng attention na hindi ko sadya. Still, in the middle of his preaching, I felt a strong desire in my heart to speak with him. I wanted to ask to give me 5 minutes kasi meron lang akong gustong i-share na testimony. Yun yung the cry behind my faith na in-upload ko sa YouTube channel ni Diverse Voices. To me, this was a once in a lifetime chance. So parang talagang ginrab ko yung opportunity. After the service, my heart was racing. I even went to the bathroom, practice introducing myself. Hi, my name is Jen, and it is a privilege to see you in person. I am a lesbian, and I hope I could ask 5 minutes of your time, sir. So, paulit-ulit ako. Ganon at ganon yung pinapractice ko. So, finally, the moment came, and he walked towards kung saan ako nakatayo. Talagang my heart was pounding. And he greeted the lady beside me and thanked her for assisting him. Then I reached out at nakipag-shake hands ako and said, "Good morning, sir." Pero yun lang yung nasabi ko, nawala yung lahat ng pinractice ko sa CR. But in that instant, I felt something in his eyes and handshake. Like he didn't want to connect. Like there was no time for me. And my excitement turned into a deep sadness. And as he walked away, pinapagalitan ko yung sarili ko. Sabi ko, Jen, who do you think you are? You're not worthy to speak to someone up there. Napakataas niyan tao. Ano ka ba? So, ayun, I went home. Tawa-tawa. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, anong ginagawa mo? And I was so stupid. Sinasabi ko sa sarili ko. Pagdating ko sa bahay, God gave me a message through someone I least expected. My friend was watching a film about Jesus, how he was mocked, beaten, and crucified. Nakita ko yung luha talagang bumabagsak sa mata niya. Then she looked at me and said, I watched your video, the cry behind my faith, and I see Jesus in you. Not because you are perfect, but because how you live and serve others. She told me, you are human and you will make mistakes. But I will not judge you because only God is perfect. Look at him, tinuturo niya yung TV. Jesus committed no sin, yet he was judged and crucified. If nagkamali ka man, who am I to condemn you? Her words pierced my heart. Grabe, nagulat ako. Kasi hindi ko yun expected sa kanya na sa tingin ko or sa paningin ko ay mababaw pa ang kanyang pananampalataya. I realized something powerful. God can speak through everyone. I thought I needed to hear it from the highest priest or higher priest, but instead, he used a simple, ordinary person to remind me of his truth. This is who our God is, mga kadivo. He can use anyone, whether the least, the broken, or the overlooked, to deliver his message. And what a privilege it is to be part of his purpose.